Hi folks. Well, I just had a sneezing fit and I thought to myself, I'm going to have a beer and then go to bed. But the thing is, I've got no bottle opener with me. It's in the kitchen. So do you know what we're doing in the Netherlands? Or some people refer to it as Holland. We get hold of the bottle like this. And then just under your finger here, and between the top, you flick it off. Oops, there it goes. It's gone. There you go. Easy opener. Love you all. Hope you enjoyed that one. Cheers.